When a staff successfully votes to unionize, that is not the end of the process. It is merely the starting gun. The next step is negotiating the first collective bargaining agreement.
And I imagine the restaurant ownership doesn't just sit down at a booth with the staff and hash it out over a cup of coffee.
Not at all. It triggers a massive legal and administrative apparatus. Management has to hire specialized labor attorneys who understand the intricacies of the National Labor Relations Act. And while this is happening, the management team's focus is entirely diverted away from actually running the restaurant.
Because they're in meetings all day.
Exactly. They aren't focusing on menu development or local marketing or guest relations. They are trapped in endless strategy meetings and collective bargaining prep.
Let's talk about the cost of those attorneys. Because if a restaurant is already skating on a 5% margin, dropping a retainer for a corporate labor law firm has to be devastating.
It is often fatal. Specialized legal counsel can cost hundreds of dollars an hour. If a business is making a few $1,000s a month in net profit, and suddenly they have a $30,000 legal bill just to prepare for negotiations, that 5% margin vanishes overnight.
Just from the prep work.
The cash reserves of the business are completely drained by the friction and the legal overhead before a contract is even drafted.